Alright, this is my first video on YouTube of trying to get funded with a 5k account with funding pips. So I'll be making 2 videos every week. The first video will be on Sunday, while the second video will be every weekend. So the first video is based on a pre-market analysis, and the weekend video will be based on post-market analysis. So let's get to business. So the first pair on my watch list is GBP USD. So GBP USD, the market is currently at the resistance zone. Let me check the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a recession here, and currently the market is at the resistance zone. So overall, I'm still bullish on GBP USD. So I will only take action when the market breaks above the resistance zone, then go for a retest, then I will go for a buy. But currently the market is at the resistance zone and is currently on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, is currently forming a double top. We have the first top here, then neckline and this other top. But my interest is still bullish. I'm not going for a sell because of this double top. I will wait for a breakout. Before going for a buy. And the other way I will go for buy is if I can see a good retest, then I will look for a buying opportunity to the upside. But right now on GBP USD, I am currently neutral. No buy, no sell, because we are currently at the resistance level and the market is forming double top. So right now GBP USD is not good for a trade based on my trading style. So the other pair is Euro USD. Let me check the weekly time frame first. On the weekly time frame on Euro USD, we have the market just hit a major resistance zone. We have a first resistance here, and now we are rejecting off this resistance zone. So but the market is currently bullish. So on the 4 hours time frame, goes to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame, I am still bullish. So I'm waiting for a break of this counter trend line here. So I would like to see the market to come and test this support region, then bounce, retest again before a break of the counter trend line. Then I'll go for a buy, stop loss below the support region, and take profits above to the upside. So on Euro USD, I am still waiting for a proper entry for me. I use the CTL as my entry, which is counter trend line, as my style of entry. So currently my entry is not properly formed, so I will wait for more, maybe Monday, Tuesday, maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, I will see a proper entry. But for now, I still want the market to come and tap into the support zone before we break the counter trend line. So on Euro USD, I am currently bullish. I'm still bullish on Euro USD. I have not seen any reversal pattern yet, so I'm still bullish on Euro USD. So we also have a trend line here. First touch, second touch, and hopefully can come and make the third touch here before we go for a buy. So I'm waiting for the counter trend line to be broken before I go for a buy. That is my second pair. So the third pair is AUD USD. On AUD USD, there's nothing too serious. So on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, we just broke a major support level. So since we have been trading below this, resistance level since December last year. Make the first contact February. Then since February we have been trading below the resistance level. So and we just broke the resistance level last week. So currently now my analysis for on AUD USD is I want to see more breakouts. I'm not interested in trading AUD USD at the moment. So I would like to see more push up to the upside, then wait for a proper pullback before I go for a buy on AUD USD. So currently on AUD USD, I'm still waiting for a proper breakout. This breakout is not enough for me to start looking for entry. So I'll wait for a proper breakout to the upside to somewhere here or here, then wait for a pullback with a counter trend line before I go for a buy. So hopefully I see entry this week. We have at least Monday, Tuesday to Friday. So hopefully I see entry this week on AUD USD. So that is my third pair. The fourth pair I will be analyzing is NZD USD. So NZD USD. On NZD USD, we have been trading above the resistance level for the past 3 weeks, first week, second week, and the third week. So I've been trading above the resistance level for the past 3 weeks. So I am still bullish on NZD USD. I just want to see a pullback before going for a buying opportunity to the upside. So on NZD USD, let's check the daily time frame first. Then on the daily time frame, there's nothing special. So let's check the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame, we have this flag pattern. We have this bullish flag pattern. So we have this bullish flag pattern on the 4 hours time frame, and this is a bullish pattern to go for a buy. So on NZD USD, we have this push up, and we have been trading like this. So on NZD USD, I would like to see a drop to the downside, then maybe tap into the downtrend line, then break before I go for a buy, because this is a bullish pattern. So if I see a proper break of this, bullish pattern, which is flag pattern, I'll go for a buy. So NZD USD is my first pair of interest. So NZD USD is my first pair of interest. So I'll be watching this flag pattern very closely for a breakout. So the next pair is USD Chef. Alright, let me check the weekly time frame first. So the weekly time frame, the markets have been trading below support. The market have been trading below the support region, which means the market is still very much bearish. So On the weekly time frame, we are bearish. I'm looking for a selling opportunity on the weekly time frame. So let's check the daily time frame if there's anything special. Daily time frame, I think. Let's check the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame, I have this counter trend line that is still forming. It's not formed yet, it is still forming. So I will wait for a proper counter trend line to be formed before I go for a selling opportunity. So I would like to still see a more upward movement, go up, then maybe come down, go up again before breakout, then go for selling opportunities somewhere here. Stop loss above the eye, then take profits down below here. So on USD chef, according to my style of trading, it is not yet ready to sell. So I will still wait for a proper counter trend line to be formed before I go for a sell on USD chef. So I'm still waiting on USD chef. So let's see how this week goes. So the next pair is USD JPY. USD JPY, let me check the weekly time frame first. So the weekly time frame, USD JPY, according to my style of trading, it is now 50-50 to trade because we just hit a major support level. We have a support here, second support, the third support, and now the fourth support. So on USD JPY, I'm still very much bearish on USD JPY. So let me check the daily time frame. Daily time frame, all right. Daily time frame, we are still bearish on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are still bearish. We have this drop, retest, drop. So I want to see the market to come and retest this support, this resistance level. Previous support, now a resistance. So I want the market to come and retest this resistance level before I go for short to this downside. So on USD JPY, this USD JPY, I think I prefer the setup than NZD USD. So if this setup can be formed properly, so we also have a fib confluence around this resistance level. So we have the market is bearish, we have trend line, second confluence, we have support on resistance, the third confluence, and the fourth confluence is fib level. First swing high to swing low and wait for a retest around here before I go for a short. So on the 4 hours time frame, my entry criteria is not yet met, but currently so far so good. The market is forming a counter trend line. So I want the market to come and retest this resistance level, then play around here before we have that breakout, so that I can go for a short. Put my entry here, stop loss above the eye, then take profits equal low. So on USD JPY, I'm still going for a short, but not yet ready. So I'll wait for more push up before we break the counter trend line. So I will start looking for selling opportunities once we break the counter trend line on USD JPY. Yeah. So the next pair is USD CAD. So USD CAD. USD card, the market is uncertain at the moment. We have this massive trend line: first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and now we are having the fifth touch. Oh shit. So USD card, I'm looking for a selling opportunity only if the market break this support, this minor support region level. I want the market to break below this minor support before I start looking for selling opportunities. So on the 4 hours time frame, the market is still trading above the support level. So I want to see breakout retest with a counter trade line before going for selling opportunities. So on USD card, I'm waiting for the breakout to happen before looking for selling opportunities. So hopefully this week we have the breakout on USD card before I start looking for selling opportunities. So the last pair, my last pair is S&P 500. So S&P 500, we have this trend line: first touch, second touch, and third touch, and then fib level from swing low to swing high. The market retest this support level and this trend line. So I am currently bullish on S&P 500. So my entry criteria for S&P 500 is we just break above the resistance level. So on the 4 hours time frame, I want to see a proper counter trend line like this. Though I missed this trade like this, I want a trend line like this to form somewhere above this this resistance level to become this new support. So I want to see a proper counter trend line like so, then before I start looking for buying opportunities after the break of the counter trend line, TP stop loss below. So S&P 500, I'm currently bullish, waiting for a proper entry model. So that's all for now. So yeah, during the weekend I will post I will also upload the post analysis of, which is the results of all this analysis. If find any entry or take any trade, I will also share it, and I also share the outcome during the post analysis. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.